How to join official Beluga Discord server in 2022. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply join official Beluga Discord server. So for this, you just have to follow these simple steps, and without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, make sure that your Discord application is updated by going into the Play Store if you are an Android user or App Store. After making sure that your app is updated, because I'm telling you so because these newer features they don't appear on the previous versions of the Discord application. Secondly, just come towards the Google or any browser you use and search for Beluga Discord as I've did. And once you get over there, this is the Beluga Discord server. You just tap on it. It will redirect you towards your Discord application. Here, this says a dialog box appears that says Beluga and you have been invited to join. Once you accept the invite, you will be referred towards another page. That simply means that you have been added to the Beluga Discord server or Beluga Discord server, and it is very easy. This way, you have officially joined the Beluga Discord server. So you just have to do and follow these simple steps. Secondly, if you guys have any problem or query regarding this video, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. And so just don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.